I'm going to show you all how to operate this 35,000 pound excavator. First, remember to let it warm up for a couple minutes. These control the tracks to go forward and back. Buckle up. Safety arm down. Once the safety's down, you can use the control. Throttle up to auto. This stick controls the boom in the bucket. Pull up, and this goes up, left, and right. This stick controls swing and arm. So pull out and in, and then rotate. Let's drive forward. Let's move this big pile along. Use the thumb control. Curl the bucket. Lift up. Swing right. Drop.